Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. ZP constituencies delimitation, ruling party doing it as per their convenience to checkmate opposition, dissidents and independent MLAs allege MLAs. Second swine flu patient improving. We have enough doses to treat swine flu, says Health Minister Francis D'Souza. Holds meeting with Health Department. Union government allots 413 crores to state for water supply upgradation. DPR for New Zuari Bridge handed over to Union government. Sudin tells Prudent from Delhi. %0 export duty for Goan mining iron ore and 5-year tax holiday for tourism industry. GCCI recommends measures to Union Finance Ministry for budget. And National Women's 2020 champions arrive home. Historic achievement puts spotlight on women's cricket in Goa. Goa Cricket Association showers praises on Goan girls. And now the news in detail. Ruling party is alleged of designing delimitation for ZP poll to favour their own candidates, giving a major blow to opposition party and dissidents within the ruling coalition. Not only opposition, but the MLAs who had extended support to the government are upset with many of them are vocal on how BJP has maliciously arranged ZP constituencies to make it convenient for their own leaders.
There has to be politics involved while delimiting the wards of Panchayat, and the party in power exploits it the most to its advantage. Now, delimitation of constituencies is being held for Zilla Panchayat election. Now the word is out that ruling side is delimiting wards as per their convenience, aiming to wipe off opposition party and dissidents within the party. This includes MGP and independent MLAs. Ruling side is designing delimitation in such a manner that it will give a major blow to MLAs like Vishnu Wagh, who openly revolted against BJP. But MGP is undeterred. MGP President Deepak Dhavdikar says, "We are not bothered about delimitation. Our constituency is intact. MGP is going strong in every ward." Parori independent MLA Rohan Khaute is upset as his stronghold Sukur is under process of being placed in Saligaon.
ZP polls sadhya pahla they are playing a hide and seek thing. There is non-participation of anybody. No people are taken in confidence. Makasta they are playing the hide and seek only to take care of few interests of their legislators or areas which they feel weak upon, which they know that they cannot break through. And as a ruling government, as 3 वर्षा जाऊन ज्यांना हे त्रास जावंक लागता, the only way is to get frustrated and try and delimit the areas. So Sukur काढल्या आणि सध्या सालिगांव घाल्या. I made to understand that Sukur has been made as a part of Saligaon as far as ZP election is concerned, which includes other areas of Giri, Para and Saligaon. Reservations have been done. So I think in the overall run, people are smart enough. ताणी कितलेंय जरी केलें जाल्यार लोकांचेर परिणाम जावपाचो ना. पूण हांव ह्या सरकारचो निशेध करता कित्याक द वे दे हॅव बीन डुईंग दीस थिंग्स इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ अ गव्हर्मेंट लायक BJP, which had promised participative, accountability, transparency, and especially parivartan to the state. I cannot see any parivartan here.
On the other side, sources from Election Commission confirm that Commission is all set to conduct ZP polls. Election Commission requires 45 days for making necessary arrangements. Zilla Panchayat's term gets over on 15th March. If Zilla Panchayat elections are to be held on 15th March, then the notification has to be released on 1st February. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Rumkar Farari for Prudent.
Health of the swine flu patient who is undergoing treatment in a private hospital is improving. Patient is under strict observation of the doctors. Health Minister Francis D'Souza informed that government has stocked enough doses to treat any more swine flu patients. 2 patients were detected with swine flu in Goa who travelled from abroad. First patient was discharged after proper treatment.
And she was an older patient, 71-year-old patient. So she has been treated and cured. The first patient, Mr. Gomes, is still in what you call quarantine He's been isolated and being treated. His condition is, from the last report, he is stable. I mean, try check केला ती पेशंट कोणाक कॉन्टॅक्ट जाल्या कोणाक मेवल्या तेंचे सिम्पटम्स आमी चेक करता so that they are also taken care of. Capsule oseltamivir 75 milligrams, 500 capsule procured by Director of Health Services and so also by Goa Medical College, Bambali. 150 capsules of 30 milligrams available with Director of Health Services. Oseltamivir is also available with private pharmacies, Salset Pharmacy. Requirement more stocks is in process. This quota is in hand now. Means we are still trying to purchase more if required.
Trying to purchase more.
Yes, trying to purchase more also.
Medicine order dili sir?
Yeah, medicine order दिल्ले. गरज पय तितके. आता गरज पय तितके आमचेकडे हा. So we have kept channels open. आमकां आनी खंय जाय रोखडी गावपाक परती. We are also checking at the airports whoever is coming ill. We have got a Ebola unit there. We just pick up people and quarantine them and check. कोणाक खोकली मारता तेणें तोंडार हात धरपा जावो, रुमाल धरपा जावो, हात धुवपा जाय. आनी तुका भंय दिसता जाल्यार लोक चड आसन जर वयचे न्हू आनी शक्य जाल्यार मातशें पयस रावन उलोवचें कोणे कडेन आनी खुबशें उदक पिवपा जाय म्हणटा तें 2-3 लिटर पिवपा जाय, फळ खावपा जाय, भाजी पालो खावपाचो आनी शक्य जाल्यार पब्लीक प्लेसीचेर थुकचें न्हू आनी शक्य तितके दोतोराक विचारले बरें वखदां घेवचें न्हू.
Union government has allotted 413 crores for Goa under Central Water Supply Scheme. PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar has confirmed this to Prudent. These funds will be routed through JICA or 14th Finance Commission. Dhawlikar is in Delhi attending convention of state and union PWD ministers. Sudhin informed that these funds will be used for increasing water supply capacity. Dhawlikar handed the DPR of New Zuari Bridge to the union government.
Goa doesn't fit in most of the union government schemes. Now, union government has agreed to allot 413 crores to Goa under Flexi scheme for water supply upgradation.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान 3 दीस आसा ते आजूय चालू आसा आनी हातूंतल्यान सगळे एक निष्पन्न करपाचें ठरयलां की सबंद भारतांत जो वॉटर प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो सोडपाचो ठरयला आनी त्या खातीर विविध योजना तांणी ज्यो तयार केल्या योजना हातांत घेवपा. आतां ह्या योजनांत गोवा सरकार बसना आनी त्या खातीर गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर हातूंतल्यान कांयच फायदो जायना हें ताचें हांवें निदर्शनां हाडलें. आनी बेज्ड ऑन दॅट आमी जो फ्लॅक्सी फंड चेंज अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ द सिस्टीम मागला सिस्टीमींतले जे 413 कोटी आसा ते अंडर जायका फ्री लोन किंवा 14th फायनान्स हेचे अंडर घेवपाचें थारायलां. लोकांक जे 100 लिटर्स आमी उदक एक दितात ते सादारण 120 दिवपा जातले, 150 दितात ते 160 जातले आनी आमचो जो पाणयाचो अपव्यवहार जाता तो बंद जातलो.
Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari is on a foreign tour right now. Sudhin Dhawlikar handed over the DPR for New Zuari Bridge to Manor Parrikar, which he will be handing over to Gadkari when he returns.
पहिलो स्टेप जो जुवारी पुलाचो आसा सबमिटिंग अलाइनमेंट along with DPR is handed over to Raksha Mantri today at 10 o'clock in his office to submit it to Union Ministry of Roads and Transport. He will give it to Nitin Gadkari along with his PO letter. Nitin Gadkari out of station आसा 27 तारखेक येतलो.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.